Alright, moving on to the next section of the copy angle constructions assignment. So 10 here on 9 through 12, you need to construct an angle that's half as large as a given angle. And so my given angle is right here. In order to get half of the angle and copy it, you need to get the half angle. So you have to bisect this angle. To start that, draw an arc, crosses both sides. Then put your compass at the two intersection points. Pick a hole that's your favorite, but use the same hole for both arcs out there, and you're going to have two intersection points. You're going to have the one intersection point. Draw a ray from your center of your angle through the intersection, and that ray will bisect your original angle. And once you have your original angle bisect, you have an angle that's half as large, and you need to copy that one. So start with a ray, and so this is one, and you need to draw an arc that's the same radius for both, centered at your two vertices. And then you need to get how far it is from this intersection to this one. So put your compass at one end, figure out what hole gives you the other one, and you're going to put your compass center at your first intersection. Use your hole to draw an arc, and where these two arcs cross, you're going to draw a ray from your vertex through it. And so once you have that, you're going to have your angle that's half as large as this original angle. Moving down to 11, same sort of steps. So I need to bisect my angle first. It takes those arcs, draw a line through. And once you have that, you're going to have a fairly small angle here. And so you need to be a little bit careful. Draw a ray down. Make sure you draw an arc that's the same radius for both. And then use your compass to figure out how far it is between the two intersection points. And use that same hole to draw an arc over here. And once you have that, you're going to have these two intersections. You draw a ray from your vertex through the intersections, and that ray will make the other side of your angle that's half as big as the original. And 12, even though this is a big angle, when you bisect it, it becomes a non-obtuse angle, and so you're just copying half of the angle, which I've done there. So that's what that one looks like. Moving down to 13 through 16, you're just bisecting the angle, so this one's not even copying angles construction. To bisect, make sure you put your compass center at your vertex, just draw an arc. Any hole you want, really not that important. Just make it far enough out that you can recognize where it's crossing. And then you're going to put your compass at each of those ends. Go out to your favorite hole, but make sure you use the same hole for both. You're going to draw two arcs that intersect over here. And you finish it out by drawing a ray from your vertex through that line of the two arcs you just made. And that line is the angle bisector. 4 looks like that. Same steps. 15, same steps. Notice how my points are clear out there. That's okay. On 16, that's what it is. And even though this angle is really large, when you bisect it, it's still doable. Your arc has to cross both sides. You still draw your two arcs out here, and you still draw the ray from your vertex through that intersection. And that's the rest of the assignment.